Hi guys and girls, welcome to channel CyruZ. Today I will be doing some readjustment on my workplace in my studio because as you know, last year I have been going through some renovation at my house, and I have been doing some new setup here, but because my new setup I think is a bit not so good. As you can see here, adding some lightings, but problem is this area had been a good distraction for me for doing some unboxing videos, so I'm not able to do it. It actually hinders my flexibility, I can say. So that's why I will try to do some adjustment here on my setting, and at the same time actually I think my background is not that nice after the new setup because the white background seems like doesn't show up much of the kids. So that's why recently I try to put some backgrounds on my videos to cover up those white color, and actually now I'm still looking for some improvement. Then I try to readjust the setup here, so stay tuned. Later let's see after the readjustment how is the result will be. Alright guys and girls, here is my new Studio Man Cave 3.0 setup done, and I have put my tables here to my side so that I can display some of my kit here. So this one is more mainly to my gashapon toys and also some of the gashapon unit, and I have some space here, so I put some random kits here. Okay, so basically this setup is back to my first setup because I think it's in terms of doing videos is easier for me because here I got more space here to unbox my thing compared to our previous design. My previous setup actually gave me a lot of obstacles for me to do unbox. So here actually I have a big space in the front for me to put on setting up all the lightings so that it can shine, it can light my kit here compared to previous one. I have been all my setup has been put in the front because my table is stick to the wall, so I cannot set up my lighting here. And here I put back my IKEA, this one I forgot what's the name already. So all my accessory, all my tools is here, and some of the whip, and also some of the whip here I put in here. I'm doing, actually there's a lot of whip thing. And here is my all the expansion and all the joiner and all those parts I've been separate out. I put it here, so I have a double C, for example, double mill. All this joint, easier for me to look for spare parts. And I have some of the 3D add-on part here in these boxes. Okay, and some of these are the tools I normally use, I put here. And this is my cooking table for doing all those cutting stuff. And here I put some like drill, all these kind of things, drill, screwdriver, and those pen and knife cleaner. Here I put some knife scraper for easy access below me. Here I also stick some of this for other side brushes, extra brushes. Right. And beside of all these tools, I actually have some tools for my portable working station. This is I buy it for eBay Snap, my Prama working station. Actually, there are some variation that it can be found on other brand. You can find the same design from this thing, but I bought this because it's easier for me to bring around to work, to do my kits, build my kit when I not in my workshop or not in my man cave. So in my living room, when I'm watching TV or all this, then I can use this. And here you can, all this num you can put in here. It's got the brand here as well. So this is my tools that I used for normally I use. And then I did have this one as well. This one I bought from Nitori. This thing actually is easier for me to bring if I have more tools around. Then I can bring using this to bring along. Actually, this one can fit in nipple, fit in our others accessory. This is modular, can move. Then after that, I can use my hand to bring it all and bring it along to the place I wanted. So this one temporarily, I just I did not carry around, but I just put here first. Then some of them, my braid tag. Used to, some people use this to do the kit modification or add-on part, but so far currently I'm not as skilled as that, so just keep it first. So hopefully I have the opportunity to use this. Okay, I think that's all for my Man Cave 3.0 for this round. So I think I will stick with this design, this setup better than my second design, unless I able to manage to move to a bigger house or able to have a bigger room. Then I might change my design, but somewhere maybe I might change my setup as well Yeah, but maybe not the major one like not I'm doing now anymore, but somehow I will, if I have got time, I will do some major add-on, like maybe this one, or scan this is scan this, IKEA scan this. I might add on additional if I'm allowed to drill. Yeah, that will add on another one to increase my inventory, because actually I have a lot of stuff, but no place to hang on. So okay, so I think that's all for my video for this round, and actually thank you for watching and supporting my channel so far, and hope that I can continue to release more quality video in later on. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye.